Today we're going to show you how to do the scoots in the dance West Coast Swing. My name is Edna.
My name is Dick.
And we are dance teachers, and we're going to show you how to dance online. So to start off, we're going to do a sugar push, and it's going to be like this: 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 9, 10, 11, and 12. We'll do it from the other side. 4, 5, and 6, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 9, 10, 11, and 12. All right, so to start off, Dick, I'll let you start.
Okay, so leaders, I need to set this up from the sugar push. I'm gonna go 1, 2, and find my right hip and park it right there with the lady's hand. So I'll do a sugar push to keep 2 hands, 2, 3, and 4. I have 2 hands. Okay, I'm gonna walk back, 1, and to the side. Notice I turn to the side. I've got this hand of hers on my hip right here.
And we're gonna point.
And we're just gonna point the left foot. So let's do that again.
1, 2, point.
Okay, that's 1, 2, 3. We're gonna hold count 4. Then I'm gonna take the back foot and kick it into the front foot for my and 5. And 5. So I just place the foot in front. And 6.
No, we gotta hold 6. So it'd be 1, 2, 3, hold 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 9, 10, 11, and 12. That's the count.
In the middle here.
Okay.
Let's try this again from this direction. Okay, so again, I have 2 hands already. I'm gonna place the right hand, my right hand on my right hip.
1, 2, 3, hold 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 9, 10, 11, and 12. So you're going to be holding, let's do it this way. I really want to do it this way. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, hold 4. We're going to, and 5, hold 6, and 7, hold 8, and 9, and then 10. He's going to take me out 10, and he'll explain how to do that.
Okay, so we are scooting along. You do as many as you want. We're using count 10 to get out. So the way the footwork is going to work is I'm going to go 1, 2, place 3, hold 4. We scoot on and 5, hold 6, and 7, hold 8, and 9. I'm going to use my left foot again to stomp and get out on 10 and send her back to square to face me. 10, 11, and 12.
And you saw when we were here on 9, and we're going to, on 10, I'm going to step down. He's going to push this hand out as he's hit.
Rotate her around.
So he's going to go 10, 11, and 12. Okay? So that's how you do the scoots in the dance West Coast Swing. Bye-bye.